Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what I have? It is a box from Ulta Beauty. It arrived today, and today I'm going to do an unboxing so you guys can see exactly what it is that I purchased. I can't actually remember everything, but they were having their something like every day, something else was on sale, and their Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wigs, which I love and I always try to get, was half off. So I think instead of 20 something dollars, it was like $17 instead of $28 or something like that. So that was the goal. So I got 2 of those for sure. And then while I was on there, they were having other items that were on sale. So let's check it out, guys, and see what I got. Jeez Louise. So guys, this is day 4. I'm actually on my lunch break because we are working from home for 3 weeks due to COVID-19 or the coronavirus. And so this is a little bit of happiness in my home. Well, I can't really go out and I'm social distancing and, quarantining, self-quarantining. I'm not sick. I don't have any symptoms. I have not tested positive, but I'm just staying in so that people can stop the spread of it. So with that being said, boxes coming just makes my day. And with that being said, since there were none of these things in stores, I purchased 4 new foaming hand washes. If you guys have been to the grocery stores lately or in the last week, then you guys know exactly what it is I'm talking about. So I haven't smelled any of these, but this one is a Eucalyptus mint. That is probably going to be divine. There is a Bath and Body Works, Eucalyptus stress relief hand sanitizer that I absolutely love. Their stress relief candle, which is one of their, I think it's a relaxology or reflexology or aromatherapy. Sorry, aromatherapy candles, and it's one of my favorite fragrances. So I figured that the Eucalyptus mint would be good as well. I would open it and smell it for you guys, but I'm not gonna open them all. I'm just gonna open the one that we're gonna use next. When we run out of the ones we currently have. But just keeping this on hand because I don't know how long I'll be stuck in this house and not be able to go get more. This one is a lavender mint. Okay. As you can see with the eucalyptus mints, there is, it says aloe, vitamin E. And as you can see the little bead, this way. You can see the little beads in it. This one is just a clear foaming hand wash. There aren't any beads in that one. And then I also got 2 of just the freshwater mist. So just a fresh clean scent. I love fresh clean scents. So I did get 2 of those. Okay, guys, so those are my first purchases from my Ulta haul. And then, ta-da! Okay, so this is a Shea sugar scrub by Tree Hut. This one is called Belize. Okay. I've been stuck in the house. Travel has been cut back. You guys know how much I love to travel. So I definitely wanted something that was super, oh, look at that. Reminds me of, it smells good. Reminds me of the tropics for sure. So I probably got carried away with this sugar scrub. But I got a few of these. So this is the Belize Breeze scent. It smells good. It smells so tropical. Maybe I'll think I was in Belize when I take a bath with this. There is also the Matcha Mojito. Oh yeah, definitely looks like one that I would love to try it off. So the first sugar scrubs I think I had, my cousin, she has her own company. Her name is Shea, and it's called Melanate. Melonate. with the number 8. I think it's called Melanate with the 8. I will for sure put that down in the subscription box. I know that she has a Facebook page. I'm not sure about a website, but I will put the link to the Facebook page on there. When I say she has, I think it was True Beauty. She made me a Shea, a whipped Shea butter in that fragrance, and also a sugar scrub. Oh my God, it was amazing. You guys should check it out for sure. Black owned business, a woman owned business. Yeah, definitely check it out. You guys know March is Women's History Month. Let's go out and support our women entrepreneurs, especially during a time like this. You guys can shop online, inbox her, see, you know, what other fragrances she has. But yes, definitely, it's melanated. Melanates. But I will put the information in the description box below. I'll be sure to do that. Okay, so that is this one is made with shea butter, green tea, mint, and lime extract. Sorry about that. Let's go back to the Belize Breeze. This one was made with shea butter, avocado, and coconut. Yes, guys. Just sounds like heaven, especially for the skin. So the third one that I purchased is the Tahitian Vanilla Bean. Okay. Ta-da! This one is made with shea butter, vanilla extract, and manoi oil. Guys, guys, when I was thinking tropics, I was thinking vacation, getting away, honey. And being that I am stuck in my house like most people in America these days, this is going to give me that nice little feel that I'm somewhere else. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Oh, I cannot wait to use these products. So yeah, as you can see, I kind of got carried away, but they were a good price. Okay, so I have those. And then the last two things in my box are the two things that I mentioned to you. That this is the only reason I actually went on the site that day. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. They're in the color dark brown. I got two, as I stated before. And because they are never really on sale, so, you know, I just had to stock up on two. Might as well. I go through these. I use them every day in my makeup routine. Okay. You guys have probably seen it if you have seen any of my Get Ready With Me videos. So here it is. Okay, so this side, okay, you see that is where the actual pencil is. It's retractable. And then the other side is a brush, a brow brush. It's very good, guys. And basically I use it every day. So getting two was a no-brainer. Okay, guys, let me know. I haven't actually shopped at Ulta in, I want to say years, but in a very long time, because I'm more of a Sephora girl. I like to go in and be able to try things on. I have the points with Sephora. But yeah, I was notified by my cousin Shannon that they had a sale on the Brow Wizards. So I decided to go online. And like I said, this social distancing is supposed to be helping me to save money. But all of these emails and texts and coupon codes and, guys, listen. After this, I have to cut back. I can't be just out here shopping, because where am I going anyway, right? I mean, yes, I'll smell lovely in my home, but no one else will actually get to smell any of this lovely stuff. But yeah, so let me know what you guys are doing during this time of self-quarantining and social distancing. And I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, washing your hands and keeping your hands out of your face. You know, they've been telling us that the entire time. So I hope that you guys are staying safe, you're staying in, and you're just doing as much as you can. If you're quarantined with your family, then, you know, spend a little quality time together. I know before long we'll probably get on each other's nerves, but until then, just enjoy the time that you guys have with each other. Maybe the Lord wanted us all to slow down, so here we are. And since we are here, let's just make the most of it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video if you want. Let me know the things that you buy from Ulta. let me know. Ulta or Sephora, which do you guys like better? Why? And for what different things? Like I said, with the makeup and stuff, you can go and try it on at Sephora. Mostly all of it. Ulta has a section for that, but they also have the like, I want to say like drugstore brand, or like the Walgreens and CVS has like those CoverGirls and Maybelline and Revlon in makeup that you can't actually try on. But with Sephora, even with their Sephora line, you can try everything on. So that's why that's my preference, as well as you get the free gifts when you spend money. So I like using that program, the Beauty Insider. And yeah, but I do know Ulta. Let's give them their credits here. They give you the $3.50 off, I believe, monthly with their newsletters, and they probably give a birthday gift out too. I'm not sure. But yes, we're going to get the birthday gift, whether you buy something or not, which is always nice. And your points go toward pretty good gifts. And you get 3 samples if you ask for them when you're purchasing things from Sephora. So I like all of that about Sephora, but I don't hate Ulta. I just don't frequent them as much. But this is my Ulta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.